The CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your in-car entertainment and connectivity experience, available from Aliexpress. Featuring the advanced Android 13.0 operating system, this adapter supports both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with your vehicle's infotainment system. Equipped with the powerful Qualcomm 6125 processor, which boasts 8 cores, the CarlinKit AI Box offers impressive performance while maintaining low power consumption. This robust processor ensures that the device operates smoothly, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The adapter supports both SIM and TF cards and comes with a built-in 4G full Netom module, allowing for reliable network connectivity. The AI Box is designed with high specifications in mind, featuring 8 GB of running memory and 128 GB of storage memory. This ample capacity reduces slow loading times and delays that are often caused by insufficient memory, ensuring a more responsive and enjoyable user experience. For those needing even more storage, the device accepts a 512 GB extended memory TF card, offering substantial space for apps, media, and other data. Navigational capabilities are enhanced with the built-in GPS, which supports multiple positioning systems including GPS, BeiDou, GLONASS, and base station positioning. This feature is particularly useful for vehicles that lack built-in navigation, allowing you to use mapping apps effectively. The AI Box also includes a built-in Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna, contributing to robust connectivity and improved signal reception. Users can download apps from the Google Play Store directly onto the CarlinKit AI Box, giving you the freedom to personalize your entertainment options. Whether you want to watch videos or listen to audio, this feature ensures that you can enjoy your favorite content while on the road. Additionally, the split-screen functionality allows you to watch videos while navigating, making your driving experience both enjoyable and efficient. The CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box is a versatile and high-performance device that brings modern connectivity and entertainment features to your car, enhancing your driving experience with convenience and advanced technology.